In today's video, I will show you how to clear the cache of FiveM. This can be useful to delete a lot of useless space in your hard disk. This cache might be causing lagging in game or even errors in FiveM. I also want to say that deleting your cache doesn't affect anything in game. You won't lose your progress in any server and won't even notice that you deleted the cache. Let's begin. First of all, we need to right-click our executable or the shortcut of FiveM. Now click Open File Location. This will open the folder where FiveM is located. We want to go to this FiveM application data folder. Here you will find a lot of files, but we only need the data folder. And here you will the cache files. Before deleting them, I want to show my hard disk space. As you can see, I only have 6 GB available on this hard disk. Now let's delete all the files from the cache folder. Just select all of them and press the Delete button. You can also right-click and click Delete. Let's do the same with the Server Cache Priv folder. In this case, there are too many files, so you will need to press Ctrl-A to select all the files. You can see there are more than 14,000 files. Press the Delete button. This might take some time since there are too many files. Just wait. Meanwhile, I will do the same process with the Server Cache folder. In my case, I don't have almost anything here, but you might have more files. After doing it, make sure to clear the recycle bin. That's it. Now you could execute your FiveM application. It might take a little bit more than usual since it will need to download some files, but it's worth it. Let's see how much space I cleared. I have 22 free gigabytes now, so I just saved 16 gigabytes in just a few seconds. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like for more. Thanks for watching.